bá mi sọ àmì o. Àmì. Àmà kọ́lé mọ́lé.
Àmì o.
Àmà bí mọ̀lé mọ́ o.
Àmì.
Àṣírí wa ò ní tú.
Àmì.
Every say àmì o.
Àmì.
Àmà rí bá ti ṣe.
Àmì.
Gbogbo náwó náwó.
Àmì.
We go drive for that day. Àmì.
Àmì say àmì o.
Àmì.
Owó wa wá wálé.
Hey. Una welcome, amen. Every amen we knock and put stamp, put every on top.
Oh. What if the use of the last and him will be the same?
I don't understand. Yes, so. We don't wonder what you did. I still BOBOS here on top of Wazobia TV.
Yep.
Not do yourself at all. This one at 2015. And I know sounds we can't come Sanjuna. Oh, this year go this fake.
Yes.
If you are looking at me and you've not started following us on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, oh, you're on a long term. You're on a very long term. But today's show, it is fake. And it gets some we will carry Sanjam today. Yes, as usual, I get one criminal with me. And another to be criminal. If you understand what I mean. Shoma.
Yes, sir.
Now you be that.
How na day na 2015? I just want to sing one, so I begged them, made them sing, and they no agree. So now let me go. They pray the prayer for myself. I'm making money. I'm making money. I'm making money this year.
You don't say this boy, eh?
I'm making money this year. No matter what they do, it's gonna be better for me.
I tell you, say make you know they go at shower spot. You don't spend all your salary finish for 2014. You got on this. Now you got to pray and making money this year. Make money. I'm gonna say J1 no put date. Because I tell you. Because I say put date now. I don't know whether that's all for the make sense. I tell you. Yes, and as when I don't see, when I don't know, say I get to be criminal. Our very own person, the one and only, a great comedian for Federal Republic of Nigeria. Wait. Ona Noam. Made the blessing me they call to be criminal. You are to be criminal.
Oh, sorry, already made criminal. Now what did they try to
so you are an already made
criminal.
No, I'm not a politician. So but if I'm not a politician, if you come in.
Oh, ready-made criminal. Ready-made criminal.
Yes, I object to it.
So what are you?
This is the only show that I'm going to be like say you get refreshments for inside Calabash. You know, the way we do it in our mother tongue, look at you know, when I come in, I see the way it is the jolly year to bless the difficult. You know, I can get you. Yes. So to bless. But to all those I am very carrying, this is SYC raised to power 10. Mina, I will lose your 2015 shall be very funky. Hey, don't worry.
What did you just say now?
People will understand, they go tweet tonight. Did you speak in tongues?
Yes. You know, say.
Okay, have some wagon manya. So, Banu.
Ogo.
This is I saw this one, they call me guess.
You are a guest.
Oh, I'm a bomb girl.
You are a guest.
Oh, I'm a bomb girl.
Guest.
Give me a kuma girl.
I said guest, not girl.
Oh, okay.
I don't say a person will come person bar for the first time. Where you don't come our bar. You can't behave as if you don't come here before. You are this is your first time. You never see stranger for inside bar before. Everybody when they go back, they familiar with it. But why not they all be like that?
I have watching it come on. I beg before they will turn the whole thing to another matter. Matter where you carry come follow and talk today, they very specific and they very simple. I beg, we won't ask una for house. It good make man they control wife's salary. Then are the matter we carry come talk about. When I know say man we marry, you get wife for house or you get babe, you know she they make money. It good make it they control her salary. Before I go start to the program, and I don't even understand. So, I beg, our social media portals, they run through the screen. Make una they follow us, they talk, sharply. Talk for Facebook, tweet, do and sharply. Make with the yarn, so that the gist there, it go make sense. Okay. I beg, Elenu.
No. Before you throw, give Elenu, wait first. People never know, say, the reason why Elenu sit down for that place, that because, say, Shakara, run. Say he never married, so you know they fit. You know they capable enough to talk this topic. Now, I will say more bring person we don't marry. But we don't know if Elenu they faithfully married financially. So we go allow make him talk this matter, you know, then we fit Chukma. Because
who are you? Make I speak English. Who are you to judge me to know if I'm faithfully married?
Financially faithfully married.
Financially faithfully married. Who are you?
FF.
You get girlfriend. You get girlfriend.
I know guy, I get wife. No big girlfriend.
Which wife?
Who
give you wife? When you marry?
Okay, I'm not the
So
topic.
one girl look you with all this juju
No,
we wear for hand, green marry you.
Not the maybe the topic, I beg. The topic now, wait, now say whether
I beg,
control.
don't look show my own. I beg people there for house so they won't hear your own side of the story because I know say you be strong man. You
As a
don't
married
marry.
man.
You know, as a married man, we won't hear your own side of the story. You understand? It makes
Last
sense.
thing that this boozy
Make
come
a man they control his wife's salary. You know.
It don't make sense. It don't make sense. Well, but it's good if man and woman they stay the same house. The two of them, you know, they know okay waiting they come in. Now the responsibility of the man to take care of the house. Yeah. Now the responsibility of the woman to support. Don't be by force. If you like support, let me say you marry a good wife.
Why not by force?
Every good wife.
No.
No.
How you go
Even
say?
Bible talk am.
Say waiting.
Forgive me, sir, the drink.
No, not be sick to drink now. Not be
No,
be sick
I
to
need
drink.
to ask for forgiveness
No.
before I talk this thing.
But Elenu, why you feel say the woman no suppose support? Now by force, is supposed support.
No.
Why?
Even Bible talk and say a man that cannot provide for his family is worse than an infidel. The man I be the head. The woman I be the neck. You
So
understand?
wait.
The woman is supposed to give support if you fit. Okay, what about people who say their wife never start to work?
Who tell you say the wife na family?
True.
What of people person wey don marry when the wife know they work? How you work
That
with
one
support?
they but woman where they work,
Na the same thing.
where no agree, where no one supports, that's a wicked woman.
No, that's
Because two of you are married, the Bible says two shall become one. When the God refinances,
I know why girls they run from you. If you like say you dey tell them say one of the criteria be say you must dey bring one part of your salary.
No, my brother, no man won't enter trouble now. We have suffered enough.
Who be
so
we?
that's why.
No, who give you the right to talk for
But
our
wait,
our behalf?
the thing I say, you know, say some women even they will say they don't really like support. Some women they don't really like support, and their husbands don't consider that kind of thing. Then maybe their husband can make a mandatory for them. Say, okay, you know, say our marriage these days now yoppy things. It not be like the days of old. You know, some people they even sign this prenuptial thing where they still in the sign. But make a mandate. Say, okay, woman, oh, you will do 40% to me, man. I will do 60%.
Yes.
Sure you get some of them that one day, but that one not be even not talk for another day. But the thing I really want to make you really let people know now say, as you do now, I know say you don't marry. Your woman self they make some bar on her own. You they control your wife money.
I know if you cannot control my wife money. Even before me and my wife marry, yeah. Make I give one example. You get one time when she get problem with somebody. She and the person come quarrel one kind. So she explain give me. The person said, come call me, come explain, give me. But that one boyfriend come tell her, say, give her my money back. If I no do this thing for her again, now I call the person, come tell her, say, if two women get problem, we will be guys. You go call the woman to control. Even if I don't marry her, I don't get right to the order her to do waiting or not to do this thing. She get her own right to say, okay, I must do this thing or I no go do this thing. So it not be my responsibility, not be by force. Say my wife.
But you feel know how
support
much.
me.
But you feel know how much your wife they earn.
Yeah. Why no?
So if your wife they earn more than you, you don't feel say now wickedness. Say you feel just sit down and they look your wife. Maybe now you they earn 100,000. Your wife they earn 1 million. You see they come out that your lean 100,000. They give 70K for the upkeep of the family.
When she does school, when she read, they follow girls up and down. She can't exist. She can't exist like more than you complain.
You don't feel say
do your work.
You don't feel that. Wait, no man will go sit down. Him and the wife go sit down. The wife they collect 1 million. He they collect 100,000.
I may stand up.
Then they give 70. He go they look his wife with bad eye. This one is a wicked woman.
But this is the thing.
It's
But
wickedness.
I believe say it depends on the mutual understanding.
It depends.
Make
I speak Oyinbo, yeah? It depends on the rudiment of the relationship. Like me, rudiment, that is the foundation. How I take build on a relationship. Like when me and my wife start, till today, even as I did this show, now I tell her, say, baby, I did go for BOBOS here. You understand?
So
if person come in now, say, well, I get one work for you, we go pay you so amount. I go call my wife, tell her, say, that they pay me so amount. So that makes she know. Because it go there bad. Now, what in the scatter relationship is this? It go there bad, say she can't hear. Or one person talk, say one thing. Maybe I tell her, say, they come BOBOS here. I don't tell her, say, they come BOBOS and they go another place. Somebody go say, we see your husband today for BOBOS here. She go come and say, baby, but you tell me say they go another place.
So you now they tell your wife every amount of money.
Every amount.
She
In fact,
you,
my wife now be my accountant.
She they tell you
because
the same
me,
thing.
I know sabi keep money.
She they tell you the same thing.
I like men
Yes.
like you.
Me, I know sabi keep
So
money.
man, when they tell the wife all in account details, say, okay, they'll pay me 500K. That man, when they also
But
go
they
around
never begin pay you
says,
500K, sha. Continue.
But see, the matter I say, may we even see, we look at from this perspective. You know, say, may we look and say, okay, for instance, now the woman know they enrich the man. Sure you get, but I don't see couple where we say the man they make a man mandatory. See, my wife have every end of the month.
Wickedness.
See what you just go there.
Wickedness for which side?
See, like you talked before, it's supposed to be mutual agreement. May the two agree. Yeah? It depends on how they start on a relationship. If you say the woman go say, okay, baby, or whatever name way they call the husband, for this month or for every month, from what myself they make, I go to bring this small one join. If your wife will tell you like that, you're supposed to tell her something she need that, may you bless her.
Okay.
Because wait. They say a man shall leave his father and his mother and shall cling unto his wife and they shall become one. The woman they come up for her papa house. Not forgetting that person has to go.
Where the man come up from? Where the man come up from?
From heaven.
I beg we leave the matter for
They can do like say man no they come from somewhere.
No.
No
Now you're supposed to take care of her.
Why?
You know? Yes.
Who talk say?
So okay.
No, wait, we'll go.
We dey come back. May we just enter Agogo for street because we get another dimension and another pattern to our show. I beg, Agogo for street. We dey come back. All right. Una don't welcome back to Agogo for street. Una go dey surprise say wetin happen. When I know things wey dey happen for street. We bring new set of dimension into our show this time around. Elenu, now you be the focus right now for Agogo for street because we want to hear opinion waiting men gas talk. Good. Now you don't tell us some things the other time. I beg, emphasize more because you've been there explain now before I enter that place and go break, come back, say now understanding. I beg, I need you to talk more, touch light, took eye, put inside more. Maybe some people where they there, may they understand, you know, how it be.
Okay, from creation, God created man first. God created woman to the support him. And the support where Eve support Adam, now he support and reach where we take the wear clothes today. If not me and you for day, where we there now.
So in other words,
if man and woman they stay the same house, whether the woman they make pass the man or the man they make pass the woman, you know mandatory. Make any man, I they talk him and I they quote what I talk. And I they record him according to me, subsection 5, 2015.
Of the Elenus Constitution.
Paragraph 2, sentence 1. No man should say by force, my wife must bring so amount of her salary. If your wife should be the one to tell you, say, baby, today, for this, every month, I'm going to bring so amount, say, join waiting. You they get.
Make I help you rephrase and well. You say no man shall by force.
By force.
So that means you are saying, no, so no man shall by force.
Yes.
But a man shall say.
You,
not
yeah,
by
you
force.
Now house now.
Because now wickedness, say for this day and age, this hard condition, man go marry woman, she go wait, make you tell am, say, if I supposed come together, bring money, take care of the home.
See, everybody gets.
See, you dem. If like say, waiting Elenu, where I understand waiting.
No support Elenu. Me and you are we partner for this thing.
We are partners together.
More we tackle this man.
Say it.
Who tell you say Elenu? Elenu why they drop money?
Waiting. Listen.
Why you talk like this?
I notice where Elenu they talk now.
Say that waiting.
No be say na good thing. Say make wife not they drop.
Yes.
But no be say the husband
must make am by force.
No. See if the man gets money. If the man get enough money, like Elenu now we get plenty money, thank God. The wife no need to bother, abi?
Hallelujah.
But in a wickedness, when you go see your husband no get, you get, you can't talk say you no go they bring something.
No woman on a normal day.
No woman. No woman on a woman will be like say okay, I dey make money past my husband. Maybe my husband they make 50,000, they make 100,000. And now only him they provide for the family. Yet she no fit just use her mind. She not supposed to wait for the husband,
you know,
say, baby, begin bring something. Only she supposed to use her mind. If true, una two, they not just speak. They'll say, okay, when you they born you go marry this girl.
You know,
una two never know each other. Say una date, una understand, una say before una marry. Only she go talk, okay, my husband they make less than what they make. Man, they use this 20K to the support. What they bring come so that Gary go plenty. So but not be by force.
So that now. You don't say they say man are head of the home, and that means that man are like president. Now be the government for that house. So he's supposed to look the whole budget. In wife now they bring.
Okay, wait.
500,000.
For this matter we talk now, you say man are the president for whom? You don't ever see where presidents they go meet one state governor. say you must by force bring money to support Nigeria.
Now there you don't make mistake. No.
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 Tell me one president for this country. We don't ever go meet one state government. We don't get money for Nigeria. Give us money from your state.
Oh, my brother. Even in this present dispensation where they want the election, governors are supporting the president for the election.
Like what I talk, they support, not be by force.
What I want to tell you, say the federal government, the president, also they tell the state government to give her accounts.
Will you keep quiet?
I beg you. Sisi opinion, nam before I hang a boom here. Take it away. Sisi opinion, Bobos Yam. We are coming back. Chai.
Take it.
Yes, so now welcome back. Now still Bobos Yam on top Wazobia TV. If you just join us, you don't miss, but you never miss at all. Because matter what we yarn today, now in consign say it good make man they control in wife salary. That are the matter we talk about today. And I beg when I say we don't do, I go for streets on top the first one we say Eleno will be our guest on top the show today. Follow us talk. Yes, you don't follow us talk plenty, and we say a very big thank you, brother. You do well. You believe you die. Yes, and right now I still get showman for hustle. It's still day, but this one I see opinion where we say one talk about, and I get one sploofik. Oh yo,
hey,
we follow us inside this bar today.
Area.
Now she go give us unto the CC that matters. Her name now Boma.
Boma Harry.
Boom. Chop 5. I don't say you go support me for this matter today. Boom.
When you don't see again, and I say you go to misbehave.
When I say I just humble.
You humble.
Boom. Say my name. Say my name.
Yes, let's go to the topic. What's up?
See your camera.
No, I'm looking at, you know when you see something that was created on Monday morning,
why this two they
have
talk?
to look.
Don't mind them. Me, I was saying something before we go on this break.
Now, president, they may speak English.
I don't understand.
The way men can intelligent when they see women.
Boma, I they tell them say, presidents, they still tell governors to
by
bring,
force.
Say, no, make them bring, and it's by force. They must bring the accounts.
Move on.
They must bring the accounts of how they don't spend money.
No, that was not our point of argument.
Our topic is say, now the control.
Our topic na Boma abeg. Our topic na simple.
Yes.
It good make man the control wife salary.
Well, the thing we say, I think if the two people, if they marry well, they suppose share salary together. So that knows.
I bet top five.
Wait.
Top
You
five.
don't answer the question well.
No, top five.
You don't answer the question well.
Man suppose control the
answer the
man's salary.
question.
But that shouldn't be the issue. It shouldn't be an issue at all. Because if they marry well, they suppose like
Waiting alone marry
talk,
well?
you know. I support
That means say, what is the title? Say you meet her for club.
Meet her for club. Friday night and I'm
They
Saturday.
suppose share salary together.
Hey!
That's an issue.
Okay.
They suppose share salary.
Yes.
But is it by force?
Now by force.
Every man they mandate
Because some men they will say they will tell their wife say at the end of the
No
month.
need more answer, Boma. Now we'll go marry you now. We'll go come and tell you say, Boma, at the end of every month, once you collect your salary,
Bring me 40,000
you must bring
inside.
30,000 naira. Now so it's supposed to be.
No, you get how when you talk, say, when you put force. When you put force, you don't agree. When you say,
I talk.
okay, talk.
The thing we say, the marriage first is the thing that is important. You know,
That
the
the money.
foundation has to be right first. If the two people marry well, that no go be issue. Seriously. So,
Okay.
But I don't understand this, you marry well. That means they
I
can go
want my explain like you again.
some people don't marry well.
I
Now.
want
That's why
my
they
explain
always
you.
have that as a problem.
most of our parents.
Some people don't marry well.
Most of our parents-
That's why the
most of our
man go. They
parents
say,
don't
"Oh,
even
the
do
woman
this.
make the woman bring money at the end of the month."
So, but you now,
Yes.
if you marry now, because me now, I know why I say more could bring you because I know they see you like a prospective, you understand, future bride, you understand. So who? To who? Wait, man, this thing now, so.
The way they go, so you go end up as Reverend Father.
I'm telling you. Because every fine girl you like to do escort.
No. I don't see Boma say, but if she fail this question, then that means say I'm gonna say no hope. You understand? Say yes, you know. So you
Now
now.
what they talk, so marry well.
Marry well.
Exactly.
So if we marry well now, how we go dey run our finances?
Of course. Well, me, I believe in joint account. some people don't believe in joint
This
account.
guy take.
Eh? I believe in joint account, and
me.
that's why I say the foundation of the marriage must be right.
Yes.
If it is right, the man will not be saying,
But
"Oh,
man, you never
woman,
answer my question.
make you bring your money, your contribution for the month."
You know?
No, both of you go plan the money together. You go plan am
Now
together.
we dey talk
So
now.
You no go be.
No, me, our own
Yes.
point is say,
Our
so
own
make
point
man,
make man know
no
they make
tell
am
woman say you
mandate
must.
by force.
Who go say you
Say,
get somebody from an area where they
I
go
get
say,
guy from
But
area.
see,
If I tell your
force.
wife regularly, he must
Then
bring
that
down.
marriage no be good marriage.
Yes.
There's something wrong. There's something
Because
wrong.
first, the woman.
Maybe
maybe the man go one wedding,
yes.
come see the children, say she fine. After makeup, come say, okay, move, you marry yourself today.
Or
Because
maybe-
they suspecting a social man go marry.
Or maybe the woman self they very stingy. Now why the man can't they say now by force?
No.
Say you
That
must.
Sure,
marriage,
be the woman,
there's
this thing, what do you mean by
something
woman?
wrong.
I beg una see say the matter don dey very spoofing inside our bar for here where we dey yarn the matter dey go. Make una dey send in on our tweets for Twitter, sending your messages for Facebook, even for Instagram. Follow us talk. May we read wetin people don talk for social media. Make we even more take some sharp.
Okay, Patricia Lukong say it no make sense. Even if the wife they earn 1 billion, he no concern the man.
Pakam.
He's to take care of his home, I'm sure. If the wife won't assist,
Patricia,
now,
you are
he
get
goes
one,
to round. Now lie. Emmanuel
Which one be na lie?
Which one be na
Obio-
lie?
Now I just read it.
No, they touching a lie, I beg.
Emmanuel Obiora, he says some side the thing good, but some side he bad. The man go bring and her wife go they bring.
Now the same place
Any man way do like that, maybe the man no get work to do.
Yeah.
Amadi Francis who go best. Say na man of the house go provide money, no be woman of the house. So if to say na me, I for no gree. Amadi Francis again say, if to say I be woman, I for no gree make man control my money.
How you going to control your wife?
Ikechuku Okoro say that one a marriage slavery. How I take the slavery?
That's slavery, nah, true.
How I take the slavery?
That boy go
think-
school, now the English why they find since be that. That's the English now they find since.
Man, I take this last one. I like this guy. This guy blow grammar. We get plenty for here. Plenty.
Mo take
But I want
that one,
you to take
sharply. You don't say time no be our friend.
This guy blow. Wait, I don't scroll up.
When you say the grammar don't confuse.
Olu Shino Abayomi Fabi. He say I do not support it because women have diversified expenses for the family. I prefer the woman to handle the financial aspect of the family because they are good managers at times.
Just like my wife.
Yes, but you know they
Just like my
nobody
wife.
they tell you say
That's true.
That's true.
That's
Because
That's like my wife.
Women
I don't have manage money.
yes.
better, yeah.
But you know, if we don't know how much the woman been the hold before, why you want manage wetin you don't put
before
money
they go
inside?
start to dey say that they manage finances. They go know how much each other they earn.
Exactly. That's why
And
joint
we-
account is important. If you
Yes.
get joint account,
Simple.
you know we'll get problem.
I bet
you
una
go
know
get
as you dey do
so
am
much
You
regularly
know
on top
say
this show.
showman be they say him be they look Boma's perspective.
Yes, but now your mind don dey
And
shake.
no, don't be say mind they change. This one people man they hammer on the
Joint
joint
account.
accounts. When they like say I go put joint account, but now you go to pay money inside. Because this one.
May we do what don spoil sharp. You get one segment wey we get on top of our show wey be say na what don spoil. Sharply make we give una make we see where we dey go on top, or where maybe go on top BOBOS yarn. We dey come back.
He don't spoil.
Yes, I beg. Now what don spoil we will carry come Sunday now today be that. So now know as it be for our transport system for Obodo Nigeria, especially those of us wey dey fly. Elenu, you sef you know. Before,
Wait,
if-
which one the fly?
you know. I remember that day where you
They
go
specific
airport.
on the fly where they
I
talk.
remember that day where you go airport where we say they delay you for hours. Where you won't go.
Now make we dey beg all the winch them way in Nigeria. More na
my
begin use,
goodness.
more na industrialize on our witchcraft.
I don't understand.
More na industrialize on our witchcraft. If somebody pets now, one wish pet for Jota. If wish pet for Jota now, that's a Billy 1.5. I go get 2.5.
You go pay climb.
Because I know say those ones they no go delay.
And that flight is sure. It
Yes.
no go crash. You know that this is what they talk about.
I know say when they fear son, more na begin fly from 8 when they don't
or for nights.
when they don't die.
See, this flight thing a very serious matter because you know say you go book your flight for morning before you go reach where you dey go. Now for night, it just dey as good as me just go by road. Because I don't want call, but una know una self. Una go delay person, they no give refund. You no go beg the person. But if we come late or we miss flight, we dey pay over 8,000 naira. You know the thing dey very annoying. This
Wait,
I don't understand.
See, may correct one thing. I dey fly where I be frequent flyer. Yeah. I don't go like spoil anybody name. In as much as say, okay, so a lot of them they do anyhow. Yeah, but at the same time, you need to consider say safety first. If they delay your flight, they will tell you, say, due to operational reasons.
No, they talk
wait
that one.
now,
That
wait,
yesterday, we
wait,
know.
now, I talk finish. They know they ever they tell you why. They know they apologize.
Yes.
But now they know the reason.
Okay.
It
Would
be
you
like
rather
say,
say they put it
But
for the
make them
plane?
compensate
no,
passengers now.
Heleno,
Exactly.
you know,
How
sorry.
do they compensate
Heleno, we know the
passengers?
difference with when and where they are the cost, but you know a particular airline where you dey sure say they must delay. Now their work with that because they made the plane
I
full.
beg.
Now what for
When I
you
don't
say,
see-
when you buy ticket 9.5, you don't expect me like
When I don't see the word don't spoil, we will carry call surgeon out today, I beg. We dey beg una. I beg.
How much
Sharply. Anyhow, we wanna know where they go. Make una do the right thing, I beg. Help us do the right thing. I beg, Heleno, your last take. Sharp. Time no be our friend.
I beg, if you be man way there outside there, no control your wife on how to spend or make she bring a certain amount. We're gonna to come together, make your home peaceful. Make she dey agree to support whatever it is where you dey bring come the house. Now, what me I get be that. That's what my wife be.
For all those young people we never marry, make them
You don't
marry
marry.
well. That's the thing. That's what I have to say.
Showman, you hear? Marry well. Showman.
No.
What?
I go hold the hand so that I'm gonna see now joint anything where she talk incorrect. Make sure say you get joint account with your wife. No control anything
Yes,
what she
so.
say. Baby.
I beg go.
Hey.
As it go be until another
I
time.
dey hold this
I
hand,
don't
oh.
know what this showman they talk about.
I
The
don't hold
showman
the hand
has
till the
finally,
show
if he
finish.
don't finally see in missing ring.
I don't see
I
you.
will show luck.
I
I
don't
beg
see you.
until another day. From Heleno.
My goodness.
Thank you. Say you come out, Baba.
Don't worry, I don't check out for you. Don't worry, you
Thank
do
you.
okay. Don't worry.
Catch your phone.
Okay.